It was a beautiful morning at little Rosehead's house. Something special was about to happen.
Little Rosehead, would you like to bake cookies with me?
That would be so much fun! Let's go! In goes the flour, chocolate chips, and round we go. Now that looks good.
Into the oven they go. Now, we wait.
All done. Wow, they smell so delicious. May I try one?
Not yet. We need to let them cool.
I wish the cookies would cool faster. Jesus, waiting is really hard.
Little Rosehead, we can turn our waiting into a gift for Jesus. Let us fill our waiting with love.
Now how do I do that? Jesus, please be with me and Mommy while we wait. Help us fill our waiting with love. I'm going to get nice and clean while I wait. Then I'll fold the napkins. Prepare the plates. Get the milk. And give Mom a warm hug.
Soon enough.
The cookies are ready.
Yummy! Mommy, the cookies are delicious. I'm glad I waited. And so the moral of today's story is, we make Jesus happy when we wait with love. Alleluia! Are there other lessons you learned from today's story? If so, go share them with others. Do you want free Little Rosehead coloring books and other goodies? Just click on the link in the description, download and enjoy. Please share, like and subscribe. And remember, do all things with big love for Jesus.